Good morning everyone and welcome to today's news segment. We are presenting you the 4th edition of EHS News Bulletin. This is anchor Ashar Rizvi from Emerald News Channel. In the world where education shapes the future, one institution continues to stand tall, setting benchmark of excellence. We are talking about Emerald Heights School. Emerald Heights School, located in Geetanagar, Akola, consistently demonstrated a commitment to academic excellence and holistic development since its establishment in 2003. In the academic session 2023-24, the school achieved a 100% pass rate in the Class 10 CBSE Board's examination. Beyond academics, Emerald Heights School emphasizes extracurricular activities, offering programs in robotics, abacus learning, and extensive coaching in both indoor and outdoor sports. This comprehensive approach ensures the development of well-rounded individuals prepared to be responsible global citizens. The school's state-of-the-art infrastructure includes well-equipped laboratories, extensive libraries, and spacious playgrounds, providing an environment conducive to learning and personal growth. Additionally, the institution conducts career counseling seminars, workshops, exertions, and personality development programs to further support students' development. Understand the leadership of President Mr. Sanjay Tulshan, Director Mrs. Alpa Tulshan, and Principal with over 35 years of experience, along with the well-dedicated team of teachers with experience of more than 10 years. EHS continues to strive for excellence, aiming to produce future leaders and innovators. Ambedkar Jayanti was celebrated in EHS with full of happiness. To inform you about it, I would like to call reporter Sejal Avdut.
In Emerald Heights School, Ambedkar Jayanti, also known as Bhim Jayanti, was celebrated on 14th April. He played a pivotal role in drafting India's constitution and fought tirelessly for the rights of marginalized and oppressed communities. Students performed skits depicting his work for the same. This is reporter Sejal Avdut with the camera person Arna Gavai. Back to the studio.
In our school, the festival of Sankranti was celebrated with the great enthusiasm through the Anand Mela, where students, parents, and teachers came together to enjoy their traditional games, food stalls, and many cultural activities. The event fostered a sense of community and appreciation for our rich heritage. This is reporter Vedant Gore with the camera person Shlok Sharma. Back to the studio.
Ashadi Ekadashi was celebrated in EHS with full enthusiasm. So, I would like to call reporter Himanshu Kotre to elaborate it.
Auspicious occasion was celebrated with bhajnas, dindis, provision and special program emphasizing spirituality and devotion. Students actively participated, creating a scene and uplift atmosphere. This is reporter Himanshu Kotre with cameraman Abhishek Rizvi. Back to the studio.
Independence Day is very close to the heart of every Indian. So, to give you information about Independence Day, I would like to call reporter Arnit Agrawal.
In our school, Independence Day celebration was marked by patriotic fervor. The flag hosting ceremony was followed by cultural performance, speeches, and inspiring tribute to the heroes of our nation. This is reporter Arnit Agrawal with camera person Virat Tare. Back to the studio.
As we know, Raksha Bandhan is the festival of love. I would hand over the mic to reporter Vaidehi Gawande to give you information about Raksha Bandhan.
In our school, students celebrated the bond of love and protection through a Rakhi making competition and a heartfelt exchange of the Rakhis. The event highlighted the values of care and unity. This is reporter Vaidehi Gawande with the camera person Hardik Panjwani. Back to the studio.
We all love Lord Krishna. To elaborate you about Janmashtami celebration in EHS, I would like to call reporter Avni Dongre.
Emerald Heights School celebrated Janmashtami with the birth of Lord Krishna was celebrated with the great enthusiasm. Students perform a delightful Dahandi and present captivating dances and skits depicting episodes from the Krishna's life. This is reporter Avni Dongre with the camera person Ayush Manna. Back to the studio.
We all love the Ravan Dahan. So to inform you about the Shera celebration in Emerald Heights School, I would like to call reporter Sanidhya Wankhade.
In our school, the victory of good over evil was celebrated with a dramatization, symbolic burning of Ravana's effigy. This event inspired students with rightness and courage. This is reporter Sanidhya Wankhade with the camera person Nidhan Gopnarayan. Back to the studio.
Diwali is the festival of lights and we all enjoy the lights. To give you information of Diwali celebration in Emerald Heights School, I would like to call reporter Aradhya Pawar.
In Emerald Heights School, the Festival of Lights celebrated with and special assembly showcasing in the significance of Diwali through dance, drama and craft activities. Students also participated in campaigning to promote eco-friendly celebration. This is the reporter Aradhya Pawar with the camera person Soham Gorke. Back to the studio.
To give you results of class 10th batch 2023-24, here I call upon reporter Nandini Gopnarayan.
As a school tradition is to be on top, a grade 10 student has shown their exceptional academic excellence and has set a new benchmark in their performance, reflecting their hard work and dedication. This year, our class 10 results have been outstanding, with several students achieving top ranks in board exam and securing distinction in various subjects. Student has received honor for their great performance throughout the year, and their results stand as a testament to their commitment to the academic session, and the school has felicitated them for the same. Some of the students excelling in the board exams are Saksham Nale, Aryan Mantri, Aditya Tiwari, Tanishka Dongre, Aditya Sharma, Yash Rathod, Sahil Devikar, Mohammad Zayan Aziz, Ritesh Gaikwad and Yash Agrawal. This is reporter Nandini Gopnarayan with camera person Bhavika Giri. Back to the studio.
Here I call reporter Lakshna Tekar to tell you the excellence of Emerald Heights School students in competitive exams.
I am thrilled to announce the different types of competitive exams held by private and government organizations. Our student has shown exceptional excellence in SOF. Ayush Manna, the student from grade 2nd, has won prestigious cash prize in Science Olympiad competition. Ayush's outstanding achievement in this national level competition reflects his dedication to academics and his passion for science. We congratulate him on his well-deserved. We take great pride in celebrating such achievements as they embody values we strive to nurture in our students. Our student has also achieved in Dr. Homi Bhabha Bal Vaidyanik competition. This examination aimed at fostering scientific aptitude and innovation witnessed commendable performances from our young scholars. We are also proud to announce the exceptional excellence of student in Hindi Rashtra Bhasha exam, that is Shruti Patil from grade 7. This examination aims to promote Hindi language and assist student proficiency in grammar, vocabulary and literature. This accomplishment not only enhance our school's reputation but also emphasize importance of promoting our national language. So let us take inspiration from their success and strive to preserve and promote the rich heritage of Hindi in our academic and cultural endeavors. This is reporter Lakshanil Nadekar with the camera person Atharva Nikame. Back to the studio.
Our students of Emerald Heights School are shining brighter and brighter every day. To show you these achievements, here is reporter Anant Bayaskar.
Each year, we recognize the Star Student of the Year from every class. These students are selected based on their academic excellence, consistent performance, positive attitude and leadership qualities. These star students have set exemplary standard for their peers and have shown exceptional commitment to their studies and school values. These students have not only excellence academically but also have embedded the qualities of discipline, responsibility, integrity, making them role model for others. This is reporter Anand Bayaskar with the camera person Ranveer Rizvi. Back to the studio.
Emerald Heights School has great achievements in sports department. So to know you about sports achievements of EHS, I would like to call reporter Yatharth Patle.
This year, our young athletes showcased exceptional talent, determination and sportsmanship in various inter-school and intra-school competitions. In swimming competition, we got gold medal at district level under 17. In discus throw, we got second position in state level under 17. In tennis we got second position in district level under 17. In hammer throw, we got second position in district level. And in ball badminton, we got first position in district level under 14. These accomplishments are a reflection reflection of their hard work and consistent support from their parents and coaches. We applaud their dedication and perseverance, which inspire their peers and elevate school's reputation in sports. This is reporter Yathar Patle with camera person Raj Basole. Back to the studio.
Emerald Heights School has great records in pre-primary activities. So to know you about it, here is reporter Advita Bhatkule.
We enjoy our school time as we have different types of activities which develop our muscles and brain, such as a pin and ball, jumping, paper tearing, hopscotch and many more. We learn and enjoy lots of fun. I really love my school. The reporter of Advita Bhatkule with the camera person Riyansh. Back to the studio.
Vidarbha Vidhan Utsav was also a memorable event followed by EHS. To elaborate it, I would like to call reporter Falguni Ladha.
For December 30, 2024, students from our institution made us proud at the Vidarbha Vidhan Utsav 2024, which featured a series of events under the theme Environmental Science. The event saw enthusiastic and participation from students across the region, showcasing their innovation, ideas and talent in various competitions. Sain Avlakhe and Khushi Agrawal, guided by their mentor and HOD Shabnam Fayyazuddin ma'am, secured the second prize in the model making competition. The expectational model highlighted an innovation solution for environmental sustainability, which received praise from the both judges and the audience alike. This recognition reflects the dedication and teamwork of the students and the excellent guidance provided by their mentor. It serves as an inspiration for others to explore our creativity solutions to address pressing environmental issues. The Vidarbha Vidhan Utsav 2024 continues to foster a platform from young minds to engage with science and work toward a sustainable future. Congratulations to Sain Avlakhe, Khushi Agrawal and Shabnam ma'am for this well-deserved achievement. This is reporter Falguni Ladha with camera person Ruchit Ladha. Back to the studio.
Machine play an important role in our lives. To know you about robots and machine discoveries in Emerald Heights School, here is reporter Ranveer Rathod.
In our school, robotics is gaining popularity among students through dedicated robotics club, workshops and competitions. We are learning to program, assemble and operate robots. These activities not only enhance technical skills but also foster creativity, teamwork and problem-solving abilities. Robotics is not just about machine, it is about imagination, innovation and the quest to make a world better place. Let us continue to explore this exciting field and contribute to a brighter future. This is reporter Ranveer Rathod with camera person Atharva Agrawal. Back to the studio.
EHS has set records by winning Vidarbha Vibha Science Competition. To elaborate it, I would like to call reporter Atharva Nikame.
Emerald Heights School secured third rank at Vibha Science Competition, Nagpur, January 4, 2025. Students of Emerald Heights School, Geetanagar, Akola have added one more feather in the cap of securing third rank in the prestigious Vibha Science Competition held in Nagpur. The competition, which focused on the theme Environmental Science, saw innovative projects from schools across the region. The team Emerald Heights compressed Sai Navlakhe and Khushi Agrawal present the unique model titled Trash to the Cash, showcasing innovative solutions, recycling waste into valuable resources. The students were guided by their mentor and HOD of Science, Mrs. Shabnam Fayyazuddin, whose support and expertise plays a vital role in the shaping of project, with the escorting teacher Ms. Aarti Sharma. Mrs. Alpa Tulshan, the director of Emerald Heights School, lauded the student efforts and expressed immense pride in their accomplishment. Principal Mrs. Priya Bose also congratulated team, emphasizing how such achievement reflect the school focus and fostering creativity and environmental consciousness among its students. The achievement not only highlights the talent and dedication of the students but also reinforces the student commitment and academic and science excellence. The Emerald Heights family celebrates this milestone and looks forward to the future success. This is Atharva Nikame with the camera person Laksh Natekar. Back to the studio.
Emerald Heights School School organized inter-school mathematics competition in Akola. To give you information, I would like to hand over mic to reporter Shravi Vaskar.
December 30th, 2024, Emerald Heights School, Geetanagar proudly hosted an inter-school mathematics competition that brought together some of the brightest young minds from the school across the region. The event was a platform to showcase problem-solving skills, analytical thinking, and mathematical creativity. In a fearlessly contested competition, our students, Master Krishna Kagliwal, Ms. Pranjal Ingre, and Ms. Anandi Chede, delivered an outstanding performance under the guidance of our respected Azazuddin Sheikh sir, who is the head of our mathematical department. Their exceptional teamwork and hard work earned them a great applause from the audience and judges alike. The competition featured challenging rounds including problem solving, mathematical puzzles, and rapid fire quizzes. The event not only highlighted the importance of mathematics in education but also encouraged participants to think creatively and innovatively. This is reporter Ms. Ravi Vaskar with cameraman Dash Gandhi. Back to the studio.